Ako. Video rin. Pindutin mo na lang yung
Kasama na po ang Team PNP Riders and Non-Riders, please.
Team PNP Riders and Non-Riders Pledge.
We, Team PNP Philippine Global Patrons Incorporated,
We, the Team Philippine Noble Patrons Incorporated.
Riders and Non-Riders,
Riders and Non-Riders.
adhere and abide the law of the land.
Adhere and abide the law of the land.
We share the same views.
We
We share the same views.
We respect and listen.
We respect and listen.
We someone green
When someone
green
and greet and we adore.
and we adore.
We walk with sound path.
We walk with some path.
We aim with the same goal.
We aim with the same goal.
We help
We help
and we do not ignore.
and we do not ignore.
We always believe
We always believe
that being one,
that
That
being
being
one,
one,
Team PNP will always be
Team
PNP
PNP
will
will
always
always be
be
a good and the true blood warrior.
a good and blood warrior.
We seek,
We seek,
we give, and we always dream of bringing up
and we always dream of bringing up
the communities in its people
the
communities and its people
closer to God
closer to God,
and feel that they are not alone.
and feel that they are not alone.
We are the riders.
We
We
are
are the riders
of Team
and
PNP.
non-riders of Team PNP.
We are for the community.
We are for the community.
Thank you po.